Are you stuck in the same old routine day after day? The alarm goes off, you get up, head to work, eat, sleep, and repeat. It's like a cycle with no end. Does this sound familiar? Maybe you've started to feel like you're going through the motions without truly living. You might be asking yourself, is this it? You've been following the rules, playing the game, and yet something is missing. What if I told you that you have the power to break free? You don't need to continue on autopilot. You can create a life with purpose, meaning, and excitement, starting right now. Stick with me, and let's dive into how you can break free from that never-ending routine. Here's the truth: many of us are living life on repeat. From the moment we wake up to the moment we fall asleep, we often find ourselves trapped in patterns. These routines can give us comfort, but they can also drain our creativity and passion. Life feels like it's happening to us, not for us. But it doesn't have to be that way. Imagine waking up every day with a sense of excitement, purpose, and fulfillment. Imagine taking control of your life instead of being a passenger. In this video, we're going to explore how to break free from the same old routine and start living a life that truly matters. By the end, you'll have practical steps that will help you rediscover your purpose and unlock your full potential. 5. Wake up with purpose, not a snooze button. How many times have you hit the snooze button in the morning? You wake up, barely get any sleep, and then drag yourself out of bed only to start the same routine again. This is how many of us live. The problem with this is simple. You're already starting your day with procrastination and negativity. The key to breaking free from the routine is starting your day with a purpose. Ask yourself, what's one thing you can do today that will bring you closer to a goal? It doesn't have to be big, but it has to be meaningful. Maybe it's something as small as taking 10 minutes to meditate or journaling your thoughts. These small steps will break the cycle of going through the motions. They will remind you that each day is an opportunity to move forward and to do something that matters. 4. Find the why behind your actions. We all go through the motions, but how many of us stop to ask, why am I doing this? If you wake up and follow the same routine every day without understanding the deeper purpose behind your actions, you're just ticking boxes. Take a moment to reflect on your life. Why are you doing what you're doing? Is it for personal growth, financial freedom, or is it simply to get through the day? If you can't answer these questions with clarity, it's time to dig deeper. Finding your why is like a compass. It will give your actions direction and make them meaningful. Maybe you've always wanted to start your own business, travel the world, or learn a new skill. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. The more aligned your daily actions are with your deeper purpose, the less likely you are to feel stuck in a monotonous routine. 3. Break the chains of comfort. We all seek comfort, and that's completely natural. The problem is, comfort can quickly turn into stagnation. When we stick to the same habits, routines, and environments, we stop growing. We feel safe, but that safety comes at the cost of progress. To break free from the cycle of sameness, you need to push yourself out of your comfort zone. This doesn't mean doing something drastic right away, but it means introducing small, intentional changes into your routine. Here's an idea. Change one thing in your daily life. Try a new route to work. Pick up a hobby you've always wanted to try, or commit to reading a book on something you know little about. The key is to introduce novelty into your day. Novelty stimulates your brain, helps you learn, and reignites your creativity. So, take that first step into discomfort. You'll find that the discomfort isn't as scary as it seems, and you'll be amazed at the growth that comes from it. 2. Set meaningful goals that inspire you. When was the last time you set a meaningful goal for yourself? We all set goals, but how often do we set goals that inspire us? Most of the time, our goals revolve around the basics. Getting through the week, hitting work deadlines, paying bills. While these are necessary, they don't always inspire passion. To break free from the routine, it's important to set goals that excite and challenge you. Think about what makes you feel alive. What brings you joy, energy, and purpose? Set a goal that aligns with that. Maybe it's writing a book, starting a fitness routine, or learning a new language. These goals will not only give you something to look forward to, but will also fuel your desire to break free from the monotony. Every step you take toward achieving a meaningful goal will make the daily grind feel more like a stepping stone towards something bigger. 1. Stop waiting for the right time. One of the biggest barriers to breaking free from the same old routine is the belief that there's a perfect time to change. The truth is, there will never be a perfect time. We often tell ourselves, "I'll start tomorrow," or "I'll change next month," but that's just a way of procrastinating. The right time to change is always now. Take a hard look at your life. If you continue waiting for the perfect conditions, you might never start. Life will always be busy, and your comfort zone will always try to pull you back. So, stop waiting. Start with small actions. If you've been wanting to write that book, start with one sentence. If you've been putting off a career change, take one step towards that goal today. Remember, breaking free from routine is about taking consistent action, even if it's small. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Once you take that step, everything else becomes easier. So, why are you still stuck in the same old routine? Are you living a life that aligns with your true purpose, or are you just going through the motions? Now is the time to take control. Start your day with intention. Reflect on your why. Push yourself out of your comfort zone. Set goals that truly inspire you, and stop waiting for the right time. The choice is yours. Continue down the path of routine, or break free and start living a life that excites you. I hope this video has given you the push you needed. If you're ready to take action, hit the like button, share this video with someone who needs a change, and subscribe to Daily Brain Talks for more tips on how to live a purposeful life. Remember, you're not stuck unless you choose to be. It's time to break free.